Manus streamlines AI-driven task management and collaboration for teams. Let's begin by exploring onboarding. We're on the Manus website. Click the Sign Up button. Enter your email address. Click the Continue button. Set a password. Click the Continue button. Enter your phone number. Click the Send Code button. Enter the verification code. Click the Verify Code button. Wait for the loading to complete. Click the Got It button. Choose a plan and click the Upgrade button. Click the See What's in Manus Pro button. Scroll down to explore features. Click the Close button to dismiss the modal. You're now on the main dashboard. Begin using the AI assistant. After this, let's walk through adding a file. Click the plus icon to add an attachment. Select Add from Local Files from the menu. The image appears as a thumbnail. Click the Submit button. Next up, let's take a closer look at connecting to Google Calendar. Click the plus icon. Next, hit Connect next to Google Calendar. Then, confirm by clicking the Connect button. After that, execute your original request. Coming up next, we'll dive into using skills. Click the plus icon to add a skill. Next, pick some options from the drop-down menu. Then, the skill is added to the prompt. The next feature we'll cover is choosing a template. Choose a template. Scroll to view the gallery. Pick some options. See templates with the selected slide count. Click the Haute Couture template. Preview the template and its slides. The template is now selected. Next up, let's take a closer look at editing text. Select the heading. Next, open the AI Rewrite tool. Then, see the AI suggestion. After that, manually edit the text. Finally, apply changes to update the slide. Next up, let's take a closer look at duplicating image. Click Let Manus Generate to create speaker notes. Then, review AI-generated notes. Coming up next, we'll dive into generating speaker notes. Click to generate speaker notes. Then, review the generated text. Right next, let's check out Switching View, Presenter Mode. Click the button to generate notes. Then see AI-generated notes on the right. Right next, let's check out Code. Click to let Manus generate speaker notes. Next, select Code from the menu. Finally, view the HTML and CSS source code. Next up, let's take a closer look at restoring version. First, click the History menu. Next, hover over the desired version. Then, click Restore. Finally, the file is successfully restored. The next feature we'll cover is rating a result. Rate the presentation with 4 stars. Next, add feedback in the comment field. Then, submit your comments. After that, see the successful submission notification. Moving forward, let's see how Manus's computer is done. Open the task progress card. Next, see the split view with presentation and code editor. Then, focus on the expanded code editor. Moving forward, let's see how inviting a collaborator is done. Click the Collaborate button to add a teammate. Next, enter your email to invite someone. Then, click the Invite button to proceed. After that, confirm sending the invitation. Finally, a success message appears confirming the collaborator. After this, let's walk through sharing a link. Click the Share button in your project view. Next, select Public Access and click Copy Link. Then, your link is copied and ready to paste. Next up, let's take a closer look at downloading files. Click the More Options menu. Next, click the Batch Download button. Then, Download Confirmation appears. Close the modal if needed. Next up, let's take a closer look at saving a file to Google Drive. Access your task file list. Select Save to Google Drive from the menu. Confirm the save destination. Success. Choose to view the file in Google Drive. The next feature we'll cover is renaming a task. In the main project view, click the More Options icon. Next, choose Rename from the drop-down. Then, enter a new title in the Edit Title modal. After that, click Confirm to save. Finally, see the updated title in the main view. Now, let's explore the next topic. Favoriting a task. Click Add to Favorites. Then, see the task favorited with a star icon. Coming up next, we'll dive into deleting a task. Click the Delete option. Confirm deletion by clicking Delete. Task deleted, ready to create a new task. Now let's explore the next topic. Switching view. Click Publish to make your page live. Next, choose Open to view the published page. Then, see Details and Share or Export. After this, let's walk through editing website. Click the Publish button to make the page live. Next, Click the Edit button to start modifying the content. Now select the heading to open the editor. Then change the text in the text content field. After that, click the background color swatch to update the background. Moving on, expand the typography section. Next, choose an option from the font family dropdown. Then, expand the border section to adjust settings. Click the border style dropdown and make a selection. Next, click the Apply button to finalize changes. After that, click Publish to update the live page. Finally, view the updated page with the new heading. Following this, we'll move on to updating dashboard access. On the Meeting Hub dashboard, click Publish. Next, a popover shows the site's URL. Click the Visibility dropdown. Then, pick the Visibility option. After that, enter your email. Moving on, click the Invite button. Then, click Publish Latest Version. Finally, a confirmation modal shows the site is published privately. Right next, let's check out filtering dashboards. Start with the project dashboard for the last 24 hours. Next, adjust the date range and apply the new selection. Then, update the dashboard with the new date range. After that, open filters to select a category. Moving on, choose a specific region to filter. Finally, view analytics filtered by date range and region. Moving forward, let's see how adding an action item is done. On the Meeting Hub dashboard, click the Add button. Next, enter the ID in the form's input field. Then, fill out all form fields and click Save. After that, see the new action item added successfully. Coming up next, we'll dive into filtering columns. Click the Columns button. Toggle the Created At column. The column is added to the table. Customize your table view. Following this, we'll move on to Settings website. Start on the General Settings page for Meeting Hub. Next, manage or connect domains. Then, configure notification rules and preferences. After that, integrate Stripe for payments. Moving on, use SEO tools and check your score. Then, manage API keys for integrations. Finally, connect your GitHub for code backup. In the next section, we'll explore how version history works. Publish the page. Next, open the drop-down to view options. Then, explore version history to manage different versions. Moving forward, let's see how running a scheduled task is done. Access the main dashboard, then open the scheduled tasks. Next, choose Run Now for the Trending Topics task. After that, observe Manus executing the task. Then dismiss the suggestion to save logic. Finally, review the top trending topics and choose your next action. The next feature we'll cover is creating a new schedule. Click the Schedule Task button. Enter task details and go to Advanced Settings. Configure preferences and save the task. Task creation confirmed. Now let's explore the next topic, Home. Expand the sidebar for more options. Then explore sections like Projects and Tasks. The next feature we'll cover is Searching Tasks. On the Manus dashboard, click Search. Next, in the Search modal, select the Search Tasks field. Then type in your query to see results. After that, view the matching task. After this, let's walk through Filtering Library. Start in the main library view. Next, pick a filter option. Then see Documents loading. Now let's explore the next topic, Switching View, List. Click to view all hot topics. Then see the expanded list of files. The next feature we'll cover is creating a project. On the dashboard, click the plus icon to start a new project. In the modal, change the folder icon. Choose an open folder icon. Fill in the project name. Click to add connectors. Select Gmail. Confirm by clicking Add. Review the modal and click Create to finalize. The social media project is ready, with options to add tasks or files. Right next, let's check out editing instructions. Click to edit project instructions. Type new instructions in the modal. Save your changes. Updated instructions appear on the dashboard. Next up, let's take a closer look at adding files. You're on the project dashboard. Click the plus icon to add files. Next, in the Project Files modal, click the Add Files button. Then select Add Local Files from the drop-down menu. After that, close the modal once the files are uploaded. Finally, see your updated dashboard with the files added. Up next, let's discover how moving a task works. Hover over the task to reveal more options. Click the icon. Next, select Move to Project. Then, choose the Holiday Report project. Finally, confirm the task is moved. Coming up next, we'll dive into pinning a project. Click the options icon for the project. Next, hover over a task to reveal the menu. Then choose Delete from the context menu. The task is now removed. In the next section, we'll explore how deleting a project works. Select Delete from the menu. Confirm the deletion. The project is removed, and you're redirected to the next project. Up next, let's discover how filtering tasks works. On the main dashboard, click the filter icon. Next, pick a filter option. After that, view tasks filtered by your choice. In the next section, we'll explore how referring a friend works. Click the Share Manus with a Friend banner. Enter your email, then click Send. After that, an email sent confirmation appears. Up next, let's discover how showing a QR code works. Click Share Manus with a Friend. Then, scan the QR code to download the app. Next up, let's take a closer look at notifications. On the dashboard, click the notification bell. Next, switch to the Messages tab. Then, refresh the Messages tab. Finally, check the new message by clicking the Inbox link. Right next, let's check out updating password. Click the Update Password button in Account Settings. Next, click the Send Code link for email verification. Then, enter the verification code. After that, type your new password. Moving on, click the Confirm button to finalize. Finally, return to Profile Settings with the updated password. Following this, we'll move on to deleting an account. In Account Settings, click Delete Account. Next, confirm deletion and send verification code. Then, enter the verification code. After that, finalize account deletion. Moving on, you're now on the home page logged out. Now let's explore the next topic, logging out. To log out, click the icon. Next, confirm your choice. Then, you're on the website. The button says Sign In. After this, let's walk through Create a Team. On the dashboard, click the Workspace selector. Next, in the drop-down, select Create a Team. Then, in the modal, click Create a Team. Finally, adjust the plan details. After this, let's walk through Add More Credits. View your account usage and click Add Credits. Next, select the Annual Payment option. Then, open the Credit Amount drop-down. After that, choose 12,000 monthly credits. Finally, review the updated price and click Upgrade. Next up, let's take a closer look at Enabling Auto Top-Up. On the billing page, click Enable Auto Top-Up. Next, toggle Enable Auto Top-Up. Then, click Save. Finally, see Auto Top-Up active with a Manage link. Now, let's explore the next topic, updating Manus's email. On the Mail Manus settings page, click the Edit icon. Next, enter your email. Then, click Save. Finally, the email address is successfully updated. Following this, we'll move on to adding workflow email. Access the Mail Manus settings for email automation. Next, view the pop-up to understand workflow emails. Then, enter your email under Add Workflow Email. After that, fill in details for a daily report. Finally, see the new workflow email added. Right next, let's check out Adding Approved Sender. On the Settings page, click plus Add Approved Sender. Next, enter your email address. Then, click Approved Senders to add it. Finally, see it added to the list. See it. In the next section, we'll explore how shared tasks works. Manage data settings. Then control shared tasks individually. The next feature we'll cover is Updating Profile. Complete your profile under Personalization. Then save your details. After that, your profile updates successfully. Now let's explore the next topic, adding a knowledge. On the Knowledge tab, click plus Add. Next, enter the name in the input field. Then click Save to add the knowledge item. After that, close the settings modal. Next up, let's take a closer look at uploading a skill. Start by adding a new skill. Next, choose Upload a Skill from the menu. Then, click the Upload area to provide your file. Finally, your skill is uploaded and enabled. Next up, let's take a closer look at connector detail. Select Gmail from Connectors. Then view Gmail connector details and click Try it out. Following this, we'll move on to adding a connector. Start in the Settings modal and click Add Connectors. Next, select Google Drive from the list. Then, confirm the integration by clicking Connect. After that, Google Drive is successfully connected. Coming up next, we'll dive into creating an API key. Choose Build with Manus API. Next, select Create New. Then enter a name for your API key. After that, click Create. Moving on, copy the newly generated API key. Next, close the modal. Finally, view your new API key listed in the settings. Coming up next, we'll dive into resetting password. Click Forgot Password. Next, click Reset Password. Then, enter the verification code. After that, click Update Password. Finally, enter your new password to log in. Manus streamlines AI-driven productivity for professionals and teams everywhere.